So how to transfer video or file to your pen drive to your iPhone. So this is my type C lighting port. In this case I am using a converter, this one. You can buy it from your Amazon or nearest shop, and if already have C type port then no problem. So let's insert it in my mobile. And once you insert, then you have to go your file manager, go to your file manager, then go back, then you can see the pen drive option. This is my pen drive. If you are using this kind of external hard disks, this will be the same method. So suppose I want to transfer this video into my gallery, so open this video and press on this icon and press on save to video. Press on save video, and then it's automatically save to your gallery. So let's open my gallery. Sorry, that's it. So this is how you can easily transfer it. And if you want to transfer a file to your different folder, then go back and press on hold, then you can select and press on copy. And if you want to move, then press on move, then press on browse option, then you can save it your iCloud drive on my phone, share it drive anywhere. Suppose I want to save it on my phone, and you can create a folder as well, test, and press on hold, and then you can see the paste option, and now it's pasting. So this is how you can easily transfer any video, photos or file to your pen drive to your iPhone device. Hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.